name is Benjamin Rewald, Adventure Crew 280 and BSA Troop 280. STEM-related concern. My STEM-related concern is the restoration and education on the habitats and ecosystems of the monarch butterfly. It is very important that we help restore any type of sustainable agriculture that might help the dwindling numbers of monarch butterflies. These butterflies pollinate several types of agriculture crops, and not only are the butterflies in danger, the synergistic relationship between crops and butterflies is in danger. Last winter marked the lowest monarch count ever recorded, and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Services have been asked to classify them as threatened. Texas is the primary recovery point for the monarch migration. The USDA considers Val Verde County as a focal county for the monarch migration. The monarch population has been under threat for the last 5 winters, from 2012 to 2017. The breeding grounds grown in the corn and soybean crops has been greatly reduced due to the new GMO herbicide-tolerant crops. Weather extremes have been happening in Mexico since 2012, including drought and excessive heat and cold. Just last year, there were terrible ice storms killing millions of wintering butterflies. Other challenges: deforestation, ecotourism, concentration of butterflies means they all get hit by the same climate conditions. For example, the ice storm in Mexico killed 1.5 million monarchs. So what can we do about it? I can't help with controlling weather, but I can improve butterfly breeding grounds in Acuña, Mexico, Val Verde, and Keeney counties. I saw a magazine article on how you can plant milkweed in your own backyard to help the monarchs, but after discussing the idea with my mentor, it has bloomed to a full-scale educational and conservation project. The concept of seed bombs would help me plant milkweed all over the place and allow others to help me. Ingredients of the seed bomb actually took 3 or 4 tries before the consistency and rate of success was improved. There were at least 200 seeds and 200 seed balls made and grown to determine the best possible ingredient combination. There are lots of fails, but in the end we found the best mixture for the best plant growth and sustainability. Mixtures were made in 5-gallon buckets and made them molded by hand, and yes, they stink really bad after adding water because of the manure. Milkweed seeds are small and very expensive. Many of my seeds were donated by several butterfly conservation groups, and the rest I had to buy on my own. There are several different types and sizes of milkweed plants, but best grows for this project are Acephalus syriaca, also known as the common milkweed. It is also a favorite of the monarchs per the USDA. Milkweed germination means you need to refrigerate all the seeds for 12 months before you can plant them. But if you don't let them sit first, they tend to germinate for 4 months. The refrigeration seeds start growing inside the seed balls within a few weeks. The acid in the manure also acts as an agent to help with breaking down the harder seed coats. Germination experiments. Seed balls lead to positive germination results. It is not a very clean experiment. Making a mess at the Laughlin Air Force Base Youth Center. Over 2,000 seed balls were made by over 40 people. Thousands of seed balls were thrown in 2017 all over Val Verde and Keeney counties thanks to Laughlin Air Force Base and the Brackett Elementary. We had lots of rain in 2017. Lots of seed balls started to grow. Year 1. The plants concentrate on root structure. They are like small bushes without blooms. Year 2 only grows, lots of leaves with basic budding. Year 3 will have seeds and blooms. The plants will start spreading seeds in 2018. Successful growth performance results. They didn't all germinate, but they beat the odds. The monarch is dying as a species. Contact www.livemonarch.com/freemilkweedseeds.htm. Learn about milkweed, plant your seeds, save the monarchs.